Mr. Landshark Chronicles, man. Come down here to Texas representing in the weight bodylifting competition. What's up, man?
What's going on about the car? So, man.
What up, y'all? It's your boy. Hey, man, I got a YouTube buddy that's right here in my neighborhood, and I'm finna go meet up with him. Yeah, my dude, Mr. Landshark Chronicles, Mr. Fit Tech Man himself. Yeah, he was up here for a competition, and I think he did real well. I saw something that he posted on Facebook, and I think he got first and second place. So, man, that's awesome, man. Congratulations on that, bro. But, man, I'm going to meet up with him for the first time, meeting up with Mr. Fit Tech Man himself, and enjoy him for a little while he's here, man. But, man, we gonna get on it, baby. Let's go. Yeah, man, this is a beautiful Sunday evening, man. So, yeah, your boy just got out of church, man, and you already know it. We got to hit it on Sunday. But, yeah, I had to go up here and meet my dude, man. I can't let Mr. Landshark Chronicles get this close to my area and I don't meet up with him. Any fellow YouTuber get close to my area, man, feel free to hit your boy up, and I would definitely meet up with you, man. Definitely do that. He said he wanted to go to a Harley Davidson, and the only one that was open was the Longhorn Harley Davidson here. I think it's Arlington, Grand Prairie area. Yeah, Grand Prairie. That's where I'm going, y'all. Off of 20. Yes, sir. Pull up on my dude, Mr. Landshark. Woo-wee! It was a nice ride over here. I don't know if he's made it yet, but I know he told me 2:30, so we'll see what's up, man.
Mr. Landshark Chronicles, man. Come down here to Texas representing in the bodylifting competition. What's up, man?
What's going on about the car? So, man, I ain't got my bike. This weather crazy.
Yeah, it's nice out here, dude. Yeah. That's who I've been waiting on right there, Mr. Landshark Chronicles, man. Y'all see him right there. Mr. Landshark came out here representing.
Yeah, what's going on, man?
Man, how you doing, bro?
Yeah, I had to wear the hat because it matched the shoes, so
you a Dallas fan?
Nah, I'm a Browns fan, man.
I'm a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, so.
Yeah, I just bought it like I said, it matched the shoes, so I just bought the hat.
Yeah.
Like, I'm in Dallas.
Land Shark Chronicles, man.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all,
Check
man.
you out. Okay.
Appreciate you following us on there, man.
Check you
Yeah.
out.
Hey, what you ride, man?
Man, I just started out, man. I'm on a street bob right now.
Street bob?
Okay.
Yeah, just bob.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I ain't
man.
been riding that long. I've been riding for 2 years, and I started straight on the road glide. I said,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just went straight on it. I said, go big or go home.
Right.
I just wanted to speak to you, brothers.
Yes, sir, man.
I'm never gonna kick
Man,
you out.
appreciate you following us, man. Man, you got your stickers with you, man?
That's the thing.
Man, you slipping, man.
I'm super.
You
and
slipping.
I thought about it when I came, because I didn't even give you a sticker. I'm like, dog.
I got something on my bike to give you, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get this man one too. Let me go grab it off my bike. Man, that thing clean right there. What is that right there, dude? Is it a CVO?
It's gotta be a CVO.
Yeah, 117.
Yeah, it's a CVO.
Dude, I don't remember this paint job, do you?
Nah, I wonder did it come in first? Nah, I had to come in, but I ain't never seen that one.
That boy clean.
It is.
That boy clean. Oh, yeah, man, I got
This one
some.
ain't bad either, though.
It sure ain't. This is CVO too, I
I
think.
just ain't got CVO money.
Yeah, hey, I feel you, dude. I feel you. Hey, I got it, but I don't want to be struggling.
Well, let me say that.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
more like it. Got it, but I just don't want to struggle.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
want to enjoy my bike.
Exactly. I want to enjoy without thinking about the repo man.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, man. Cause I ain't gonna lie, dude. They got that over there at Black Gold. They got the one of these painted, the new ones, the 23.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know if you seen that short I did.
Yeah, I saw one that you did.
Whoo, that was that one. They custom painted, man.
Yeah, I've seen a couple custom paints come out.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that's fucking sweet.
They should be getting better with the colorways anyways than on them bikes.
That exactly, man.
I don't know why they picked that dead silver color.
Hey, that silver,
Like,
it's
wow.
cool, man. But I ain't gonna even lie, dude. Me, and I know me. I'm gonna go for the big dog. I'm going for the whiskey neat.
Oh yeah.
I'm definitely gonna go for that. If I'm gonna be paying for a CVO,
Exactly.
I'm going big dog. Yeah.
Like, I want
See-
you to see this bike.
Exactly. So like next year I should have my bike paid off in my truck.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm picking up some.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, man. But yeah, dude, I'm gonna grab some stickers out of here, man.
This is only my second time in Dallas ever.
Really?
Last time I've been here was like way back in like 2004 when I was stationed in Wichita Falls, Texas.
Okay, yeah, you was in the service.
Yeah.
Yes, what's up?
I
Man,
left Texas
were you
back
the
in
Army or
04.
what?
I ain't been back since until now.
Okay. Man, you got some visit testimony, man. We got some good ride
I'm
roads.
about to bring my wife down here. I think it ain't bad down here.
Yeah. Man, I appreciate you following the channel, dude.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir, man.
Man, keep up the good work.
Man, you be safe out there.
All right, you too.
All righty. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. One of my subscribers, dude, just walked up on me over here. Wow. Man. I still ain't used to that. People walking up on me. But yeah, I'm gonna get back in here, y'all. Y'all see it up there. Longhorn, Harley Davidson, y'all. Yes, sir. But yeah, we finna go grab something to eat, y'all. Just break bread a little bit, man, and just kind of hang out. Man, real cool dude, man. If you ain't follow Land Shark Chronicles, man, go follow Land Shark Chronicles on YouTube and support him, man. Real cool dude out of Atlanta. He's up here in competition bodybuilding, man. That sucker's cut, man. You can't see all the cut now. He got the big jacket on. Yeah, he doing his fit chick thing now, man. Hey, Mr. Land Shark Chronicle fit check, doc.
Got to get the fit check.
Yeah, man. But man, we finna go grab something to eat, man. We get up on with y'all. All right. Yo, man, Mr. Land Shark. We're gonna go grab something to eat, man, and break bread, man. Cool dude, man. I think it's a couple of restaurants back that way. We're gonna try to find something, man. y'all. We gonna grab something to eat and just kick it, man. So yeah, I don't know how many of y'all have been to Lazy Dog, but yeah, we gonna grab us something to eat up in here. It's pretty empty, pretty cool. So yeah. Yeah, we'll get it with y'all. Look at that.
Yeah.
J Hunt. Hey, go on, have a seat, man.
It has for me to come to Texas.
Yeah, man. We down here just kicking it, man. We at Lazy Dog. We at Lazy Dog.
It's good.
Yeah, that's why I said Texas.
When you going back home with something?
Hey, I'm trying to go back home with that pro card Saturday.
Oh, it's gonna be Saturday?
Hey, what you gotta do to get the pro card?
Just get top 2. I gotta just repeat what I did this past weekend. Do this again next weekend, and I'm good.
That's what's up.
Good. So it's the same judges too. So it's all. That's why we did it that way. Cause it's like, if you do good the first week, there's no way the same judges, if I come in even a little bit better, gonna be like, we don't like it when you just like me the week before.
Right, exactly.
So
that's what's up, man.
You know, trying to be smart with it, man.
Yeah. Don't get that card, dog. I support you, man. He got my support, man. He doing his thing, man.
You got mine too. Definitely got mine.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Y'all, we finna eat Alfredo chicken. Oh boy, I gotta eat that pasta to stay in shape.
Oh yeah, y'all already know what it is, man. But tomorrow it's about to get real boring again.
Yeah, man.
You gonna be on the rice case?
Hey, he on the strict diet.
It's gonna be fish, zucchini, fish and spinach, and then breakfast is eggs and a banana. That's all.
You don't do no broccoli or no asparagus or nothing like that?
I do asparagus from time to time.
Dude, I never had that. What's the taste? How does it taste?
Best thing ever. Oh my god.
It gotta be cooked right though.
Oh yeah, it gotta be cooked right. I put mine in the oven, put a little bit of garlic, olive oil on it, and some garlic salt and pepper on it.
Okay.
Get it a little bit crispy.
I'm gonna try it.
But now the pea gonna stink. It make your pea smell like soap.
Really?
Yeah, your pea gonna stink bad.
Oh wow. Yeah,
I'm just
y'all hear that though, but I'm gonna have to do that. I've been wanting to try that though, man.
Me
but
too.
I just wonder how the taste is.
Right.
I love it.
So
It's weird because I ain't.
we out there. We're finna eat. Yo, we are done eating. Had a great time chatting it up with the fellas. So we finna head our separate ways because your boy gotta get up at 3 in the morning and get on this road. So yeah. So everything good, man. My dude, Mr. Landshaw, my dude, Mr. J Hunt back there. We done had an awesome time. Ooh, excuse me. Did I burp on y'all? So yeah.
I've been trying to find other place to drive.
Dude.
Man.
I might run into you later, man, or this week or something.
Yeah, just hit me up. Like I said, I ain't leaving till
My
Sunday.
boy Jay.
So.
Yeah. So
Get
yeah.
a picture with y'all fellas.
Yeah, buddy. Had an awesome time hanging with Mr. Landshark Chronicle, Mr. Fit Tech, man, himself. And my boy Jay Hunt came by. Man, y'all check my dude Jay Hunt out on Instagram. And check out Landshark Chronicle on YouTube and Instagram. And I think he got TikTok as well. Mr. Landshark Chronicles, man. Awesome time, great dude. Y'all, I'm telling you, man, every YouTuber that I have met has been awesome, man. But yeah, your boy finna get on this freeway. Finna get on this freeway, baby. Oh, they got an open lane for me to go down through here. Yeah, that's the advantage of riding a motorcycle sometimes. But yeah, it's gonna be hard to get out here. But we finna get out here though. I just went on and jumped out there, baby, because we'll be all day trying to get out. But yeah, wonderful time today, man. Wonderful time. Me and Cone got out. You see the sun is still out. It's like 4:51 right now. Man, I just had a great time out here kicking it today with my dudes, y'all. So yeah. But man, that's gonna be it for today on this vlog, dude. Man, I appreciate you joining me. And just meeting Mr. Landshark in person. A great personality, man. Just a down-to-earth dude. So yeah, make sure you go give him a follow on Instagram. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be it, y'all. But until next time, baby, y'all already know the next grind. Big truck drivers, I love y'all, man. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.